That's so lovely. I hope you can see a predator. Yo. Oh my. All the day here. So antique things. Bronze, huh? Is it bronze? Section things. I think these are like stick. I can showcase. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Mauerpark at this Flohmarkt here, and yeah, so I'm going to check this place out with you guys. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comment down in the section below, and as always, let's move. Let's go and do something. There's a whole lot of things here as well. It's early morning. Places where you can eat as well. And it's my first time checking this Flohmarkt here in Mauerpark. We've been here before, but not to see these items. They're really lovely. I hope you can see as well. There's a whole lot of things here. Look at this. Hello, man. How are you?
Good, and you?
Me too. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks. So, yeah. Vintage things as well. Yeah. I'm just walking. These are like bracelets. Just walking randomly. Wow. So beautiful.
Bist du ganz alleine hier? Erstmal? Deine Mama drüben oder was?
And here is where they are selling like cameras.
Hello.
Hello. The Nikon, how much is the Nikon?
This one?
Yeah.
99 euros.
Do you have someone or some of them that makes 4K 60? No. Thanks, man. Unfortunate, it's not capable of making 4K 60. So, yeah. But all these beautiful things. Very lovely. Very, very lovely. Have a lot of jewelries. Guys, if you're enjoying watching the vlog, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Here they sell a bunch of things, blankets, clothing, and etc, etc. All these beautiful things. There's a whole lot of things here. Arts. Yeah. Let's try to walk away from the copyright music stuff. Yeah. Right now there's not a bunch of people right now here, but it seems like this part here it's a little bit more crowded. Yeah, seems this part is a little bit crowded. Yeah, it's my first time here checking this Flohmarkt here in Mauerpark, so it's also new for me. I hope you are enjoying watching what you are seeing. All these antique things, old stuff, and but they are cool though. They are really beautiful. Yeah. Really lovely. Really old and lovely as well. I hope you can see it well. I'm not really staying by all the objects for a long time because otherwise we'll spend all the day here, so it's just to make it a bit quicker. And yeah, these are all like African stuffs. Yeah, wood stuff. Yeah, it's a wood stuff. Yeah, we carve it. So these are all like bronze, huh? Is it bronze? Bronze?
Which one?
Or gold?
حبيب الله يعطيك العافية. ونصر إن شاء الله.
They're looking really lovely. You hear me saying lovely, amazing through this vlog, but it is. It's really amazing. Yeah. I think here is the clothing sections here. The clothing section. Yeah, we are walking through here. Now that it's not so cold, let's take the advantage to view all these lovely things. I think these are like stickers here to place on clothes and so on. Yikes, this place is huge. It's really huge. It doesn't seem, but it is. I'm trying to escape from all those copyright musics. Yeah, all those copyright music. So yeah, and this place is really big. I mean, I'm going randomly. I don't even know where we start from. Yeah, but let's see this place over here. Yeah. I saw something also here. Since we're about this thing. These are all lovely. Really old stuff. It's really nice. They have really beautiful things here. They have all kinds of things here. From clothing, etc., etc. Really lovely. Oh, look at these rings. They are amazing. Cheers, man. At least here they are not saying you can film, so which is really nice things. At least I can showcase their material, their products and so on here. So yeah, but I understand that some people they don't like being filmed, their products. So yeah, so look at all these amazing bags. They're so lovely. How much is the bag, sir?
What?
All of them, are they the same? The price?
Same price.
How much is the minimum?
It's 50.
50?
Yes.
And the maximum?
The maximum is 80.
80. Okay.
That is leather. That is not leather, but good stuff.
Ah.
Senegal, Africa.
Senegal, you're from Senegal? Ah, okay, cool, man. Cheers. Have a nice day.
From?
I'm Italian, but my origins are from Ghana.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Me too. Take care, sir. So, yeah. Oh my. I'm a little bit confused where we started from. It's not a big deal, but I wanted to keep track of where we started from, but it seems like it's a bit difficult to keep track of where we started. So, oh my. I have to move away from this section as well. Those annoying copyright musics. I don't want to deal with them anymore. So yeah, look at all these beautiful things. Yo, so nice. So nice.
Yeah, so can we go to the
They have a lot of beautiful things. Look at this.
It'll be a lot more than 30, yeah. I feel like 5
Honestly, I'm not here to buy. I'm only here to take some vlog and bring you guys along with me, and also to experience. These are all stuff. To experience this Flohmarkt here in Mauerpark. Look at this hippopotamus. Yeah, so it is what it is. I think, okay, now I get where we started from. So these are like food section. Yeah, sweets. These are all sweets. Yeah. So guys, if you're enjoying watching the vlog, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Leave your comment in the comment section below. What do you think about this Flohmarkt here? And share the video out as well, because it helps a lot the channel. So let's keep on with our exploring. Yeah, let's keep on with our exploring here. Yeah. It's really nice though. I mean, the vibe, the atmosphere here is really lovely. I ain't gonna lie, it's really lovely. Whoa, look at this. Beautiful, huh?
Welcome,
Cheers,
my
man.
friend, welcome.
Beautiful, amazing stuff you have here. Predator, yo.
You can find me on Instagram as Lega Art of Wire Design.
Españolo?
Sí, claro que sí. Colombiano.
Ah, colombiano, italiano.
Bienvenido, hermano.
Yeah, I heard from his accent, you know, that Colombian, Italian, all those languages are like Latin language. So all this thing here, very beautiful. Wow. Look at this vintage stuff here, really amazing. Yeah, there are a lot of people coming. It will be until late afternoon, so got all these beautiful bags here as well. They are lovely. So yeah. Still people coming in. Yeah, still people coming in.
Anyway,
So I think we're gonna wrap it up, guys. Yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up. So here you have it, guys. If you enjoyed today's vlog, kindly support the channel. Drop your comment down in the comment section below. Yeah, drop your comment down in the comment section below. Let us know about your thoughts if you enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, as always, see you on the next one.